Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of tailored explanation. In this video, we are going to cover unit limit color choices based on material from the project Personalized Smartwatches with Salesforce CPQ attributes. So in the previous units, we had gone through the concept how we can create configuration attribute and global attributes, and we have used it in our on our product smartwatch, which was a bundle product. Now, here in this unit, we are going to work on those same global attributes which we had created in the previous unit's task, which was material, color, and ascent. So here, the concept that we are going to take is of basic admin, which is not part of CPQ, but just the basic admin we are going to take up over here. So the challenge is all about how we can create dependent and controlling field for our global attributes. So there is this company AW Computing who sell these watch bands of different materials and colors to its customers, and they have limited set of variants with material and color. Like the company offers only stainless steel in light gray, dark gray, and gold, and does not want to see other color options with that. So if suppose stainless steel is selected in material, the only color option should be available should be light green, dark gray, and gold. Rest should not be visible to the end user. Same goes with the material is leather, then in that case, black, white, and brown is the color that the end user want to see or AW Computing is offering. So let's quickly jump on to our challenge and implement this. So you have to launch your Trailhead Playground, make sure it is CPQ enabled org. Now here I am on setup and you have to go to Object Manager and open up product options. Go to fields and relationship. Now here we have this option field dependency. We are going to create a new field dependency that will have material as controlling field and color will be the dependent field. So we are going to create a new dependency here. Controlling field will be material. Based on material, colors will be available to our end users. Click on continue. Now, this is the material that we have: silicon, canvas, stainless steel, leather. And these are the color options associated right now for all these. But we have to limit the color options that are coming against each material. So here we have to limit silicon to all colors, but but the gold color should not be available when the material is silicon. So what we'll do is I select this whole column and include this, select gold again and exclude this value. So all the highlighted values of color are available for the silicon material smartwatch band. Now for the canvas, same thing we have to do. So let's just include all these values but exclude the gold. And for stainless steel, light gray, dark gray, and gold are the available color options. So I'll select all these three and click on include button. Then for leather, we have black, white, and brown. So let's go back, and black, white, and brown are these colors. Select them and click on include. That's all. Click on save. Now let's see this in working. Go to your CPQ application, 00045, edit lines. Now, earlier, if you remember, with all these materials, we had all the options available, right? But now what we have to do is, right now, this is showing the pre-populated value which we had set, or the default value which we had set in the previous unit challenge on the product option field, material, color, and ascent. Now, if I'll change silicon to canvas, all the options should be available, but the golden color should not be there. So as you can see, we have all the colors except gold. Now, if I change it to leather, the color option should be black, white, and brown. So if you just go back there and check it out. So black, white, and brown are the options available for leather material. So leather is the material and the black, white, and brown color options are available. So there are few things that I want to highlight as part of this unit challenge. The very first thing is whatever value you will select for your first product option for this controlling and dependent field is not going to affect the values that you are going to select for the second product option or the others. So these are completely independent values. So if suppose you select the value as canvas white here and leather and black for the other product option smartwatch band, then on click of save, these value will be separately stored on our quote lines. But that's a totally different concept of twin field. We are not going there. We'll see that in later units. But the concept that I'm highlighting over here is that whatever value you are selecting for any product option is not dependent on the other product options value. So if you select material or color for this product option smartwatch band, it will get saved as canvas and white and will not affect other product option values like leather or black. This is going to keep the leather and black value for this smartwatch product option. Then the other point that I'd like to highlight is, now suppose you have another product smartphone case and they also need a color attribute. So now if you create a new attribute based on color, it will still be dependent on material, right? So suppose you have created another global attribute by the name color, but that color, the API name that we have for our color is color underscore underscore C. That means that field is there on product option, and that is a dependent field on our controlling field material. So that will hold the concept of controlling and dependent field. And so if you don't create an attribute for material, then the color attribute will show no values. So this kind of restrict the user in case of smartphone, where we do not want our color of smartphone to be dependent on the material selected. In that case, you will have to create a new field by maybe some other name or API name, or you can just go with this API name color 2 underscore C. So this would differentiate the API name of both the global attributes color. And now this color 2 is not dependent on the material. So in that case, you do not have to select material before selecting the color. So this is the concept of dependent field. If at all you want the same values, but should not be dependent on any other field. So these are the two concepts that I wanted to highlight. That's all. Let's just go back there and click on save. The save is not going to affect anything because the values that we have taken up for the global attributes previously, that are not going to store yet because we need twin field to do that on quote lines. So we'll cover that in later units. For now, let's just click on verify step button. There you go. This unit is completed. Hope I was able to explain you the concept in easy language and you have learned something new. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with another unit. Till then, take care.